Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell to the King on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the iconic main riff. This riff primarily uses power chords, so focus on getting those shapes clean and clear. Pay close attention to your picking hand, aiming for strong, consistent downstrokes to achieve that heavy, driving sound. Begin practicing at a slow tempo, perhaps around 80 beats per minute, gradually increasing your speed as your accuracy improves. This foundational practice is key to mastering the song. Next, we'll dive into the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse riff introduces a new chord progression, often incorporating a few open string notes for a fuller sound. A crucial technique here is palm muting. Use the side of your picking hand to dampen the strings near the bridge, creating a tight, percussive sound. As you move into the pre-chorus, gradually release some of that palm muting and open up your strumming to build intensity, preparing for the powerful chorus that follows. Practice these transitions carefully. Now, let's tackle the impactful chorus and the contrasting bridge. The chorus demands strong, open strumming with full, ringing power chords to deliver maximum impact. Think about really digging into those strings. Following this, the bridge section often introduces a more melodic or slightly different rhythmic feel, providing a brief respite before returning to the main themes. Pay attention to these dynamic shifts. They are essential for the song's overall structure and emotional arc. Aim for a clear distinction between these two parts. Finally, we'll explore the guitar solo and the powerful outro. The solo, while challenging, can be broken down into smaller, manageable phrases. Focus on nailing the bends and vibrato, as these techniques add significant expression and a vocal quality to your playing. Practice each phrase slowly, then gradually connect them. The outro brings the song to a thunderous close, typically featuring a series of sustained power chords. Hit these final chords with conviction, letting them ring out to provide a strong, definitive ending. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.